Good morning, guys. I just want to make a quick video on what I did to remove the infamous oil pressure sensor for my Jeep Wrangler 2016 Sport. This one is all the way in the bottom, as you know, but I was in disbelief that you have to remove almost half of an engine apart to remove that sensor. So you can do it going this way. You see, you will have some bruise. Okay, this way, remove your all your anything that is in your in place. You know, like all these water hoses, vacuum hoses. Move it around. This vacuum hose, and then this harness in the bottom is a little thicker, so you can move it a little bit apart. But this is the tool that you use: the 116 socket, a swivel, a small extension, and your flexible ratchet, right? But this is the way you can do it. Right? So you're gonna put one by one. First, you disconnect the sensor, then you introduce your socket, the swivel, the universal swivel, and then the extension and the racket. And then you can remove it, and then you put it back again using your socket, and then connect again the swivel, the extension, and the ratchet. You see, that's how I did it. So I just removed this. I wanted to remove this when it broke. Right? So this is your savior. These 4 elements: a flexible ratchet, the extension, the swivel, and your 116 long or deep socket. Here is. So it can be done, but it's difficult. It took like a couple of hours to do it, and then your hands. You see the bruises. But it can be done. Now, let's go.